Hey guys, GreaseMonkey34 here, coming to another video about the Polaris Sportsman with the 420 build in it. So what we're doing today, the other day I did snap a axle or a CV boot. So here, this part is still good. The top piece pops into there, but the bottom CV boot blew apart. So it's still in the hub is still in there, but I want to fix it the cheap possible. I could go get a new one. They're not too much, but I want to try something first. I have this laying around. It's a U-joint. It's a compact U-joint. I think I would have called. This side I grinded nice and smooth. Nice round edge. I think it's the same size of circumference of that CV joint in there. So I'm thinking taking this, welding that to the CV joint, wherever it is in there, and this side got a hole in it, and it's the perfect size for this drive shaft that fit right in there. So I can just like weld it around to connect it, and maybe put a keyway for more strength. But I think that one try to do first before I go buy a new one, because I like to always try new things, see what they work, see how they work. So we're gonna try to do this. First we gotta jack it up a bit, take the tire off. The cover plate gotta come off. And now I'll show you guys a little more. Okay guys, now I got the cover plate off, and no, what are they called again? I guess the shield, and the tire off. You can see on the back side that piece of the CV. I guess it's a CV cup or something. But the diameter of the CV cup and the diameter of this U-joint are like the same size. So, but this is sticking out too far. I gotta trim it back about an inch. So we gotta take about an inch off of the CV boot, I think, or the CV cup. Maybe a little bit less, maybe a 3/4 of an inch off there, and then about a 1/4 inch off of here. And then just line it up and weld it, I guess. We're gonna, yeah. But yeah, we gotta take the CV cup out. We gotta undo the main nut under here, and it should just slide right out. We don't need to take the lower control arm off yet to put the axle in, because we're not doing that step yet. Okay guys, got the CV cup out, I guess. And this is the axle that comes out of there. Pretty easy to take out, but yeah, it's like the same size, like, yeah. But we gotta sink that into about there. So we gotta cut as far back as possible. I'm sinking right to this edge, right about there. You know, in this one I'm gonna take about a 1/4 inch off, because I want to keep that ring going around. I want to just not have the lobes. So then that will just go under there, somewhere around like that point, and then it might be enough of a cut to weld on. If not, then we can cut it back a little bit more if need be, because we need to get the pivot point somewhere around right here on there. So we're gonna try to do our best. Okay guys, got everything carved out mostly. These are the cups. I got them trimmed down, and I carved a little bit out on the inside so the U-joint can pass, like this point here, because when it rotates, this goes inside a little bit. So yeah, got that all trimmed up. I kept a little ring on there, like I wanted to tie both of them together still. Come on, there we go. A small ring, not too thin, but it connects both of them, both of the lobes. So now that just goes into there, and that looked pretty, yeah. I already did a test fit, and it works great. This, the pivot point is exactly where it's supposed to be. So, it should actually work. So now, we gotta grind down the edge a little bit, and start welding this guy up. Hey guys, got it all welded up. As you can see, those tabs I had to keep it in the same position, all the same, I grinded them off. So now there's no binding issues. So yeah, she's looking pretty fabulous. Like the weld job, I laid some pennies in there. I got it from the inside and on the outside, on the lobes. So those should be pretty strong. Then I dipped them in some oil to make them a little more tougher, and then I put it in my little toaster oven I got to like heat temp it for a couple hours to bring it back. But yeah, I'm gonna do the same with this axle. But first I wanna make sure everything works 100% before I weld the axle to the hub. Okay guys, I just slid it into the hub. I didn't want to show you guys, but it spins over perfect. And at the angle of the dangle mostly. So it's not going to be actually a bad angle for steering. So that should be really good. Yeah. Okay guys, got it welded on, the axle. Welded around there, and I welded on the inside a little bit. Got everything greased up. There's a grease nipple in there, I greased it. And I greased a little bit on this side. I gotta put the little snap ring back in. It was so easy sliding in and out on that in the transmission there, or the differential. So let's slide this back in and see how it works. Okay guys, got it in. Got this bolted back together, and it spins no problem. So that should be fine. Yeah, I think I will have full drive back again. Well guys, I got it in 2-wheel drive right now, and it's showing me the back tires spin. Then I put it in 4-wheel drive and the front tires. Well guys, I think I was a pretty good jerk that time. It didn't snap, so yeah, I think she'll hold up for now. So hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.